We are going to see about the new technologies which are happening in IT, and for today we are going to look at the new low code or no code platform. So, what is a low code or a no code platform? The evolution of the programming has been there for quite some time, and it has evolved right from the machine language to the basic C language, basics, then COBOL, then after that Pascal. All these languages came, and finally we are with the object-oriented programming like Java and .NET. So, with the low code no code platform, how it is different from the current platforms or the programming languages which are .NET and Java or C, C++. The main problem which we encounter is the dependency on the programmer with respect to the knowledge the programmer possesses to deliver the program that is required for the fulfill the business requirements of the customer. So, to eliminate this dependency and also to eliminate the human errors, the automation was looked at very prevalently to look at how we can achieve this, and that actually ended up in these kind of newer technologies. So, is this new? I would say no, because at least I am aware of a few companies which were working on these kind of technologies even a decade ago. This new technology will try to eliminate, or it eliminates the dependency on the programmer, as well as it eliminates the human errors which you would encounter in the development phase. There is a famous quote and there is a data to prove that any defect which is identified after the product goes live or the application goes live, the cost of change is very huge, or cost of fixing that defect is very high. So now with these kind of new low code platforms or the no code platforms, the change becomes very easy, and it is it is like democratizing the application development and make everybody to do the development without the knowledge of any of these programming languages. So that way we would democratize the application development and give the power of the low code no code platform to the end user. So there are a lot of these platforms available in the market. There are OutSystems, Mendix, Cognitive Platform. We have Taurus and NAC. So there are a lot of things which are available, and each has got its own. Zoho is there. Microsoft has got its own Power Apps. Google has its own apps. So there are different tools and different levels it provides. So there are pure no-code platforms which are available, and these platforms would help you to develop without coding, doing a drag and drop and doing the entity relationship having, and then trying to do the development without the technical knowledge of the programming languages. So you will be able to develop it on the fly, and very quickly you will be able to develop. Not only develop, it also helps you to deploy wherever you want, whether it is on premise or on the cloud. It will help you to deploy. So given the power of this platform, now the adoption levels, as per Gartner, it is predicted that for the next 10 years these low code platforms or no code platforms are going to be there, and the adoption level, 65% of the new applications which are being developed would be on these low code no code platform. So it is very imperative that the new millennia or the younger generation which is coming out of the colleges, they have to be aware of these new technologies, and also try to gain some do a learning and gain some experience by doing their own projects on these platforms. So the next 1-2 years there is going to be a very quick adoption levels, and the demand to decrease down the line for these low code no code platforms. So people have to, or rather the millennial have to be very flexible in learning all these things. They should be very open to embrace the new technologies and keep their girls abreast, because no longer the conventional commoditized technologies will give you demand or the edge to get the premium in terms of the pay packages as well. So anything which is in demand is going to garner a huge market as well, right? So it is very important that students who are going to come out try to get into these new technologies, and this technology is very promising, and my best wishes to all the people as well as the organizations which are adapting to it. Thank you very much, and we will see another new technology in the next video. Thank you.